This is a very quick guide on how to use my regression software online. The first thing to note is that you need to organise your data in the way shown on this spreadsheet. The endogenous variable, or the left-hand side variable, has to be in the first column. The second column, if you want to include a constant, has to include a column of ones. And then the next column should include the right-hand side variable, or exogenous variable. The first row, I've given names to each of the variables. That again should be in. Now, what I'm going to do is copy that block of data to the clipboard. So I use Control-C to do that once I've highlighted it. Next we go to the regression software. This is what you should see when you click on the link. So I now press Continue, and it gives you two options: paste data from the clipboard or open an iReg data file. Well, we're just going to paste from the clipboard, so I'm going to choose that option there and press on Continue. And then I have to copy the data into this box. So I click into the box here and then hit Control-V, and it copies that block of data from the spreadsheet into the application. Now I press Continue and go to Regression and choose that, and it should now run the regression. Okay. And I've checked these numbers against the equivalent numbers from the eViews output, and it does seem to be pretty accurate. Notice that apart from the standard output in the top here, it also computes a couple of the test statistics that we've been using in this module. In particular, this is a test for a first order arch process here. This is the Jacques-Berer test here for normality. And we can quote those directly in the assignment. It doesn't give us, unfortunately, the Broyce-Godfrey, the White test, or the Ramsey test, but we're just going to have to go. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to modify your equation by including a lag. Unfortunately, the only way you can do this here is by modifying the data set. So what I've done on this spreadsheet here is to include an extra column, which is the lagged value of unemployment. So you notice here that everything is shifted by one row. So what was in column A, row 2, is now in column D, row 3, and so on. So this is the lagged change in unemployment series. So again, what I'm going to do is copy this to the clipboard. So do that using Control-C, and then go back to my software. Unfortunately, I've got to start the program again every time I want to run it, otherwise it just keeps the previous data in memory. So I've gone back to the start here, press Continue, paste data from the clipboard, and again paste that in using Control-V, press Continue, Regression, and it's now estimated this equation. Okay, so we can do multiple regression with this as well as simple regression, and again it's providing for us the arch test and the Jacques-Berer test. Okay, so I'll try and post some more material on this if I get the chance to, but that should give you the basics of being able to run regressions using this software.